Hi, my name is Helmut Whitaker, and I am here with my beautiful, beautiful friends, Cordell Whitaker, Laura Philpot, and Lora Keddie. Hi, guys. And
Hey.
today we are going to talk about the Red Door, specifically about the Red Door, the free Red Door mini course we are planning to teach. We will teach here in a few weeks. And these beautiful ladies are going to be teaching the course. So we thought we'd get on here real quick and record and let them talk about what they are going to teach. So start with Kay. She's going to teach the first 2 days, and then Lora Keddie the next day, and Laura Philpot the fourth day. Again, free Red Door mini course. Kay.
Hi there, everybody. Um, I invented the Red Door, and it is a radionics device that is non-electrical, and it works. There's the bowl right there. That's what it looks like, and it has papers in it, and that's what we're all going to be talking about: is what do you put in it, and what does this thing do? It does a lot of healing. It does just miraculous healing. And I came about it in some also uh, pretty miraculous ways. It all kind of pulled together, and been doing this for 30 years, more than 30 years. So it's been cooking. We've been learning about how to work it, how to run it, and I've created a manual that goes with it, which is more like a journal, an archive of all the different kind of rates that worked for everything you could think of in the body, all the body parts, all that stuff. And it's an incredible collection, 30 plus years, plus a lot of input from other people and people from the past. So and then there's the coherence programs, which is the latest type of program that I have created, been using. They're even more powerful. They're more like um, something a bit more spiritual. Uh, with the manual, we have a great deal of what we call rates, which is numbers that have to do with the numbers that you dial up on an electrical machine and frequencies and all that kind of stuff. And these are much simpler. These are um, designed to vibrate with the earth and create coherence with that, with the earth, the same vibrations going through the earth into your body, into your heart, into your brain. You may have heard people talk about heart brain coherence, and that's what this is all about. And we've created a bunch of rates for that. So I'm excited to be able to see you all, teach you all, have more people learn about this. It's not difficult. It's not hard. And it works so incredibly well. And it's a lot cheaper than those doctor bills and insurance and all that stuff. So uh, come listen. Here we go.
Great. Thank you, Kay. Next up is Laura. Hi, Laura.
Hey guys, I've been using the Red Door since 2015, so nearly a decade. And I've been, prior to that, teaching people how to use a pendulum for probably for a decade now. And it was beautiful to find out how much information the Red Door supplies, and the unlimited amount of questions that you can use the Red Door to help you, whether you're questioning for your own personal body or you're questioning for things in your life. The Red Door and the scalar energy supplies information, and using a pendulum, you can get accurate information. And so during the mini course, I'll be taking time to talk about how the Red Door works in communicating and how to accurately and easily. I know a lot of people struggle a little bit with pendulum and kind of getting out of their way. And I have many beautiful tips and tricks to getting your pendulum swinging for you, and getting the information, accurate information from the bowl that you've been looking for. So excited to get more people understanding the red bowl and why every home should have at least one. So I'm day 3. Hope to see you.
Very cool. We're talking about the Katasa mini course, and great. Thank you, Laura. And day 4 is Laura Philpot. And
Me.
you can, before you start, Laura, whoever is watching this, you can use the QR code to go to the registration page for the free mini course. All right. Go ahead,
Well,
Laura.
day 4 is the mini course, 40 minutes. I get to teach on the practical thing of the red door. It's in front of you now. What do you do? How do you get started? Everything from how you maintain your attention and focus in order to come up with what you want to put in the bowl. That would be including your pictures of things that you might want to put in the bowl that you want healed, the statements that could be used, your rates, because we have rates that are actually in a book that you can also access, creating a witness packet and actually just getting started and organizing. I have found that when I sit down to start working on the red door, I swear there's a ton of things that gets distracted and you get up and down because you have to stay focused and your intent to using the red door and the things that might get in the way of you performing the red door practice. So those are going to be some of the practical things that are going to be covered under the red door, getting started and making a witness packet and connecting with source. So.
Very cool. Thank you, Laura. Kay is going to teach the first 2 days. Lora Keddie is going to teach the 3rd day. And the 4th day is Laura Philpot. And on day 5, we are going to do a Q&A. So any questions that come up for you throughout the course, we're going to do, if there's time, we're going to do a short Q&A at the end. But day 5 is all about questions and answers. So let me bring up the link again. To join the free course, go to there. Here's the QR code that you can scan on your phone, and just that brings you to the site, and you can register. And this is all new, so I'm gonna try to find the website too. So we have everything. And here's the website. So Red Door mini course registration. Here's the website, katasareddoor.com/mini course registration. And you can also use the QR code to scan that and go there. All right. Thank you so much. Beautiful. We are very much looking forward to teaching that course. And I hope you join us. It's a free course, so nothing to lose. Even if you're new to the Red Door or if you're a seasoned pro, I think you can learn a lot. Okay, we're still talking about the Katase Red Door mini course, and we thought we're going to add some sound bites, more details of what's going to happen throughout the course and what you actually can do with the Red Door. And Laura Philpot wanted to jump in.
Yeah, for sure. I want to share. I think every home ought to have a red door in it. First of all, it's just full of just unlimited possibilities. I've used the red door to treat and help with autism and all the comorbidities like digestive issues, anxiety, pandas, viruses, bacterias, yeasts, so fungal stuff. It's unlimited based upon what we think and our intent. So if my kiddo has issues and I take him to the doctor, my choices often there are drugs. and drugs that have side effects. And some of the side effects might treat the symptoms of whatever he's experiencing. But what I have found is that I can write statements or put rates in the bowl and address those things that I don't want to treat with drugs. And I don't want to go through the trauma of going into a medical establishment and dealing with that. And I've had wonderful success with heart attacks, strokes, aneurysms, uh, viruses, bacterias, fungal stuff. And I'm also exploring other things like telomeres and cognitive, like dementia and Alzheimer's, and how the bowl might be able to help with that. So it's unlimited as far as your imagination and what you want to ask. And gosh, just it's powerful tool to have at your hands that you can explore.
That's
And
so
every home should have it for those reasons.
Very cool. Thank you. Anybody else?
Mm. I'll jump in for a sec. I know lots of people that have personal gardens or even bigger gardens that they're feeding other people. They sell their goods, or it's for their animals, and maybe they're selling meat from their animals, and they use the red door to treat the animals, to treat the garden, to treat the soil, to make a difference with how much water the plants are getting, how they can absorb it better, utilize it better in case they don't have enough water, or if they have way too much water. But it's just endless. Whatever you can uh, come up with, what your needs are, it can fit it. It's worked. I even worked on one young lady, who was technically blind, but we got her eyes back, her retinas grew back. She ended up being able to see quite well, enough to surf. She surfs, she's in Hawaii. So it works. It works.
Nice. Thank you. Anybody else? Lora
sh-
Keddie.
Yeah, I'll share. I'll tap into this game. I love it for the sleuthing. One of my favorite things is getting clients or family and friends who the doctors don't know. And that's some of what I'll be teaching, is how to find out answers using the bowls. I've had answers, medical answers, by dowsing, using the bowl and asking questions before doctors have. And so it's not. I love the information, like not just on health issues, but I'll use it to find out, to help me make good choices, or choices that would benefit me. You can ask questions over the bowl about, buying a home, switching jobs, even to that degree. But the sleuthing to finding the causes behind the causes. I mean, you find the information and then easily use the bowl to reverse all sorts of disorders. I had a brain injury that caused double vision, and I was told at my age that was impossible to fix. And I was seeing, one eye this way, one eye this way, and not 100% yet, but I'm getting there. I've got one eye below and one eye above, and I love how easy it is to use the bowl to make all of these things that you're told are impossible possible. You just have to have an imagination and creativity, and it easily, things can change. Lots of things can change. So excited. Come join the mini course, and we'll teach you just even the basics. You don't have to have a bowl to join the mini course. We'd love all those who have a bowl to come participate too, and get a refresher on some of the basic stuff. So come if you have a bowl. Come if you don't have a bowl yet and are curious. We'll give you just quick ideas of how the bowl is used and its practical use, and convince you that you should have one in your home too. Or 20.
All right. Very cool.
Start with one.
Thank you. It was a little bit of stop motion video action, but it was very nice. Thank you, Laura. Okay. You can register with the website here. You see that below, lower left, and or scan the QR code. That'll take you to the registration page as well. And as we mentioned, the course is free. 5 days, 4 days of teachings, 1 day of Q&A. We're going to answer all your questions that come up for you. And I think we're good. Everybody good?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you can join us, and we see you then. Love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.